Alright everyone, I am going to be demoing how to PWM without using software. So what I've got set up here is my basic stamp, and that chip you can see there on the breadboard is a digital potentiometer that requires a little bit of software, but the really cool thing is that it doesn't have any timing involved, so that way your software loop doesn't mess up your PWM signal. I've got the digital potentiometer feeding into a breakout board here. This has a PWM chip and a motor driver built into it, which is really handy. And that runs into my heater here. And what I'm doing is I'm just measuring the voltage across my resistor / heater. So right now I've got my PWM signal set at 0, and you can see 23 millivolts. There's no power going across here. So I'm going to go over to my code here. I'm going to, the digital potentiometer runs between 0 and 128 for its value. I'm going to set it to 0 and run my code. And as you can see, the PWM signal is at 100% and we're at max value. We're at 10 volts. Now we're going to do it again. We're going to set 64 or halfway and run it again. And as you can see, PWM at 50%, and we're at half of the max voltage. So the really cool thing about this is that there's no timing involved. You're just sending a command to the digital potentiometer, and then that runs your entire thing. So there's no timing involved in your code, and that means that you can set it really accurately. This will go all the way from 0 to 100% PWM and everything in between. So I'm going to set it to 78, for example, and that's 40%, and sure enough, it's 40% of our voltage. Let's do it again. Let's go 23, why not? 83% PWM, and that is about 8% of 10 volts. So yeah, that's what we got. Thanks for watching.